I want to believe that not every country are fully supported by using paper, such as sending money or receiving funds, most especially the crazy limitation of using paper features in some countries. So as a result of this, I was able to find an alternative to paper. So if you are the kind that find it difficult to receive payment from foreign clients, or you find it difficult to send payment out of your country to another country, consider to watch this video. I'm going to show you step by step in this video. Right from the screen right here, I have been using this particular Paystack to receive payment from Saudi Arabia, US, Kenya, and all part of the African country. And the very good thing about this Paystack is that you can actually receive your fund in USD. So how this thing works, the step you need to follow is to, first and foremost, you have to create a free account with Paystack. When you create a free account with Paystack, you have to do your KYC verification. When you do your KYC verification, that will enable you to create an international payment link. When you create an international payment link, with that, you can send the link to any foreign client that want to pay you into your Paystack payment link. And one very good thing about payment on Paystack is that whatever payments you receive on Paystack, it is 100% safe, okay? And the charges for transaction using Paystack platform on $10 transaction, they did not charge up to 10 cents. You can see how ridiculous their transaction fee are very cheap. I have been using this Paystack for quite a number of years now to receive payments from my foreign client, just like what you see on the screen of this video. These are the little things I can show as far as my transaction history from Paystack is concerned. So if you are in this situation of finding it difficult to receive payment, or you find it difficult to use paper, I will recommend you consider to use Paystack to receive your fund from any part of the world, and your fund is going to be successful receive. And once your fund is received, process the fund into your local bank account. That is how it works. Then when the payment reach to your bank account, from there you can withdraw your USD from the bank, and it's as simple as that. So this is the alternative I was able to find as far as paper issue and paper threats and limitation is concerned. It is not a must that once you use paper to receive funds, it is not a must that once you use paper to send money to anywhere in the world. So if you are in this category of paper limitation, or your country we are not fully supported by paper, consider to try Paystack out. If you have any question as far as this tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. I hope this really helps you. You can check more tutorial about Paystack on how you can create a Paystack account, how you can verify your Paystack account, and how to create a payment link using your Paystack dashboard. You can check more video about that right on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.